how to connect your Windows laptop to your iPhone hotspot. So if you don't have any internet on your laptop, then you may want to use your iPhone's internet instead. Now I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. So first thing is you need to head over to your iPhone like so, and we're just going to bring up the settings on our phone. You can then click on Wi-Fi, and you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and enabled like this. Now head back over to the previous window, and then scroll down to Personal Hotspot. Now make sure Allow Others to Join is turned on like this, and then you'll see Wi-Fi password. Go and click on this, and then you need to set up a password for your personal hotspot. So this must be at least 8 characters in length, and once you've set your password, go and save these changes. You can then scroll down to Maximize Compatibility and make sure this is also turned on. And then once you've applied all of these settings, we can head over to our Windows computer. So from your laptop, you're just going to come down to the Wi-Fi symbol in the bottom right hand side of the taskbar. And if you go and click on this, you'll see the Wi-Fi symbol. Click on the drop down arrow. And now you should be able to find your iPhone from the list of devices. So this is just going to be the name of your phone. So mine's this one here. If you can't see your phone from the list, then try going back over to the previous window and then coming back over to Wi-Fi. You can also try toggling on and off the Wi-Fi like so, and you may need to turn off the hotspot on your iPhone and just try turning it back on. Now once you see your iPhone from the list, you can go and select it, and then you'll just need to go and enter the Wi-Fi password in order to connect to your hotspot. And once you're connected, you'll then be able to use the internet on your laptop using your phone's mobile data.